Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make trail mix cookies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer on a medium speed for 3 minutes. Then add in the eggs one at a time, beating well after adding each one. And add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Then in a separate bowl, add in the rolled oats, flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt, and whisk them together until they're well combined, and add it into the wet ingredients, and just briefly mix them together, and add the milk a little at a time, mixing briefly after adding it. Once all the milk is added, mix it until it's completely combined, but don't overmix. Then for the add-ins, I'm adding raisins, coconut, peanuts, and chocolate chips. You can use whatever nuts or dried fruit you like, but it must be a total of 2 cups. And just mix them in until they're evenly distributed through the dough. And scoop them out onto a tray lined with parchment paper, spacing them out at least 1.5 inches. And bake them in the oven for about 10 minutes or until they turn a light golden brown color. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for about 2 minutes. And transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. And that's how to make trail mix cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.